Every girl say them worst relationship is with a Jamaican man. Why the girl them hit with so much? Let's find out. So this pie chart represents the makeup of the average Jamaican man. These numbered 1 through 10 is the 10 most common characteristics of the average Jamaican man. So let's assign a characteristic to a percentage. Boom, 50% bun. You have to get bun. I mean, I link with a yard man, you have to get bun. Jamaica have the most bakery in the world, so you have to get bun from somewhere. So you know what, that even fear? Not 50% bun, let's say 25%. Next 25 that we go put lie. Jamaican man lie your fuck. We love lie to a woman, we love lie down with other woman, just lies. Alright, the next 25% is cocky. My girl, the best fuck you ever go get is going to be from a Jamaican man. That's why Jamaica is the land of wood and water. The only place you can get better wood than from a Jamaican man is from a cedar tree, and that still go to Jamaica. Moving on, 3% money. You understand? Jamaican man, we don't really have money, but we just fuck girl them good and then borrow for them money. Exchange ain't no robbery. So let's put money at 3%. Money is number 7 on the list. Next now, 3% nyam pussy. Jamaican man don't really nyam pussy, except for like bad boy Trevor. But two of my cousin them, some people I go to school with, some people, you know what? Load that. 3% nyam pussy, that is number 8 on the list. Make that go right there. So 5% now. Fatherly. Jamaican men are very fatherly. We love to take care of children, just not our children. So when we run left our picnic, I'm going to take care of somebody else's one. But if I take care of your picnic, you just not going to take care of my one. Simple maths. So number 10, fatherly at 5%. Boom. Cook. Every Jamaican man can cook. And that we use to tricky girl and make them feel special. As me I say, whip up something in the kitchen and then whip out of them bank account same time now. You understand? Boom. So cook, we're going to put that at 4%. That's number 5 on the list. Alright. Protector. Jamaican men are very protective. We love protect with things. We love protect with mother. We love protect with friend. Them only thing we don't protect is with cocky. Every girl get that raw. So that's number 9 on the list. We're going to put that at 5%. Boom. Alright. Caring. Jamaican man don't care about a lot of things, but we really care about what you can do for we. Can you get me a green card? Can you buy me a car? Can you buy me some new clothes? So we're going to put caring at 4%, which is number 2 on the list. Active. No. Only thing left on the list now is loyal. What we are going to put that? Oh, 1%. Bumbo club. No, man. Me see why you getting here with a true man. No, so it's not. I saw one of the time.